Welcome back. This is Chris. We're going to do a follow-up on the Lionel 249. I showed how I repaired it and cleaned it and everything, and I just finished putting this homemade bracket for the rear trailing truck. I made it out of some sheet metal, like I said before. I bent it so it'll be about the same height as the original. Just use the 2 screws, hold it on. And another thing about this little bar that I made, it kind of matches that round part that's right above the bracket I made. So it kind of looks like it was made originally like this. So all its purpose really is to hold that up. So it's not really going to hold much weight or be in use when the train's pulling something. Most of the time I think these were broken off when someone took out the motor and didn't realize that they were prying up on that, with the rear trailing truck attached to the motor. So that's probably what happened to this one. I already showed this running in another video, the previous one, but just wanted to show you how I finished it. Painted it black with some spray paint. Sprayed the screws with the same paint. They were, originally this was silver. So my next video I think I might do of my Lionel turbine. I have a 682 and I worked on it about a few months ago, so I'll show you that in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one, and please tune in again. See you next time.